going to talk about how to use the top toolbars of the Unique Bible app. If you press this button, by default, it's going to open up the master control. Same with these over here. You can change this by the reference button action. You can select the master control, mini control. Or direct. Direct just goes to whatever is here. So this will go to Genesis 1:1. I'll switch it back to master. These buttons here go to the next chapter and the previous chapter. These buttons are for notes. This is to take a note for the entire book, a note for the chapter, and a note for the verse. So this is for the book note. Save that. And if you refresh the screen, you'll see this little hand here. And it tells you that's a book note. If you want to delete that, just clear it out, save it. And then that note will be deleted. This brings up the master control. This is for the search. Or you can also search through the master control. This controls the study window. This just brings up the master control also. And this is the sync button. Right now, the study window is not synced with the Bible window, but if you click on this, now it's synced. So if you go to the next chapter here, Genesis 3, this will also go to Genesis 3. Let's go to chapter 31. And this will go to chapter 31. So if you uncheck this, it will no longer be synced. Now this will go to chapter 42, but this will remain at chapter 31. This will just hide all the other toolbars. This button is for the books or for the commentaries. And this is to sync the commentary. So now if I go to chapter 50, we'll go to chapter 50 of the commentary. I'll turn off the sync. This button is to select a book. And this goes to the previous and next chapters of the book. And this is to search the book. This is to open general purpose notes. So this general purpose note is not tied to any particular book, but you can just make general comments and about anything that you want. This will open up the last note that you opened. This will open up a Word document file. This will open up a PDF file. This will save the current location of the PDF file. So now page 9 is saved. So if I do anything else, let's just clear this. And I want to go back to that bookmark and go into the history and find that bookmark. Now I'll go back to that. This will add the last open file. This will change the size of the fonts. This will open up a mini browser to browse YouTube. What this allows you to do is to download any video and convert it to an MP3 or MP4 file. And then after you download it, you can play it through the media player.